will tell something about a mother. I have a great mother. I think she is the most powerful person in the world. When I am sad, she is the most motivating. When I am sick, she is the most concerned. When I am in trouble, she is the most powerful. In fact, she is the most dependable person in the world. She is the closest person to me. She is not only my mother, but also my best friend. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.